Indoor to outdoor communication failure. So on greed, that'll be an E6 code. On the aux, it's going to be an E5 or A9 or U4. And there's a CH05 or an EL01.
U4 is Daikin, CH05 is LG, and EL01 is who knows what that is.
How do you know that? Oh,
Because
come
I
on.
worked at both of those companies.
Yeah, okay.
But yeah, the troubleshooting and all that is remarkably simple.
It's
Excuse me,
similar.
Similar is what I meant.
Yep.
So when you flip that, make sure I didn't say simple. On the
It is very simple too to troubleshoot an E6. I can still remember how to do it. I hadn't troubleshot one in a few months.
Yeah. Well, see, I know that, like, okay, we used to have a disagreement a little bit in tech support as far as how to go about troubleshooting.
No,
like,
never.
I would like to troubleshoot. Well, yeah. I mean, there's still technicians that do like to disagree a little bit, right? But like, I always like to disconnect like the DC components, and then see if I get communication, right? Because if I disconnect, like, let's say the outdoor fan motor, like if it's a 5 wire fan motor, if I disconnect that fan motor and then it shows an outdoor fan motor error on my indoor unit, that means that we're talking now, right? Means we're talking now. It's kind of like marriage counseling between the indoor and outdoor unit.
That's right.
No? Okay. All right. So, but then, a lot of people like to look at it like doing the voltages and all that. They're looking for their 55 volts DC, stuff like that. Of course, that might vary depending on the manufacturer, right?
Yeah.
Then you also have like the RS-485, systems, or like CAN bus systems like the GMV systems. Those troubleshooting steps are a little bit different, right? If you've got multiple indoor units and they all say communication error, it's probably not going to be one of your indoor units.
Well, just kind of taking a step back, and this is something that has helped me immensely over the years in troubleshooting, is to just take a step back. We kind of jumped into that, right? So we jumped into, like, you want to measure your 55, you want to unplug things to see if you get, which is great.
Don't unplug them while the unit's powered up.
But don't forget, start with voltage. And then one of the simplest things that we asked, JD, correct me if I'm wrong, is, do you have a condensate pump?
Yep.